But let's get started. So there is a link in the video description. This will take you to lovable.dev to create a free account. All right, so let's get started. So this is lovable.dev, and this is where we can create websites and applications and all sorts of cool fun stuff. Now, when you first get here, let's go ahead and make a free account. So at the top right, I'll click on get started, and this is where we can create a free account. You can also sign up with Google and GitHub if you want to go that route. But once you put in your email and password and click on the check, you'll then click on create your account. The next step is to check your email and confirm it with Lovable. So this will activate your account. So I'll go over here to my email. It's already there. And I'll go ahead and click on this link right here. Okay, and then Lovable will ask you a few questions, right? So I'm gonna put my name in here, Daryl Wilson. Then I'll select the mode I want. I like dark mode. You can also choose light mode, but I think that's too hard on the eye, right? So I'll choose dark mode. How did I hear about us? You could put YouTube or other or whatever you want. I'll use this for a personal project. And I'll just put, I am a content creator. I wanna make websites and landing pages. Here you can also invite other people to use Lovable, but I'll just go ahead and skip this for now. All right, so now we're logged in with Lovable. Now we can create apps.